Last time on HFG Norse Bound.
Now, we planned for many things. One thing I didn't plan for was being stuck on the boat because they've closed all of the roads. It's pretty grim, as you can probably tell, and yeah, it's forbidden to drive anywhere at the moment, so we're stuck on a boat. We're 36 hours behind, so yeah, we've got a lot to make up.
So we can't actually get round all the way around to Reykjavik or anything like that, but the guys at Customs were very kind to us and said, take your truck out and go and try and shoot some stuff, and so that's what we're doing. So we'll keep you posted.
The weather has been the worst the locals can remember in the east of the country for many years, blocking the mountain pass with unseasonal heavy snow. Our initial plans had been to disembark from the ferry 9 AM yesterday to take the northern loop to Reykjavik. Due to the conditions, Reykjavik is still 9.5 hours away.
Jesus, Gareth, look at that!
With the ferry set to return back to mainland Europe, we had to leave its shelter along with all the other passengers and wait out the weather, hoping for good news of clear roads.
So we've been sat on the boat for literally 36 hours, longer than we'd hoped, so we're quite a long way behind schedule. We've got some more snowplow and blowers have gone up. We're all being put into a convoy. Yes, we're in an Arctic truck. Unfortunately, not everybody is. So the safest way to travel over the mountain pass is in a convoy behind a snowplow. So until we can get past these, we can't get off and go and do what we want to do because it's quite serious here, and we have to follow the rules. There's no exceptions. We'll keep you posted.
We were checked in by the Icelandic Red Cross and had to give them our details. It dawned on us just how serious things are here.
So if you put the hazard lights on,
Of course.
And fog lights.
And fog lights.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Front, back.
And just follow it low.
Brilliant.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you very much. Hiya.
Have you already
Yeah.
Yeah, all good. Thank you.
Very much.
These two-wheel drive.
Ah.
Four-wheel drives only.
That's
I
why
mean,
they were swinging round.
I'll be honest with you, I wouldn't want to be doing this in a two-wheel drive.
No.
You make us look small.
Right, we think we're 2 cars behind the plough. There's already one stranded vehicle ahead. Literally the guys have just gone up and down the line. They've pulled out everyone in a 2-wheel drive. They've been taken to one side, and only 4-wheel drive vehicles are getting any further today, by the look of it.
Yes.
can't even see it.
Yeah, now.
I mean, that is a whiteout, people. That's because they're going around there.
Oh, yeah. Hang on.
That's right, got the road, got the road.
Go the road?
Yeah, got the road. Okay, let's get a bit closer and stay a bit closer.
Pretty dodgy.
That was whiteout.
Wasn't it?
I mean, I couldn't see her in front.
No.
The conditions were so bad we couldn't see the road in places, let alone the car in front. Wipers were on full, and even with the screen heater on full, ice was still forming, making visibility even harder. After what seemed an eternity, we made it through the mountain pass and ventured out on our own, away from the safety of the convoy. Mentally exhausted from concentrating so hard, we pulled over to catch our breath and admire how easily the AT35 had coped with the extreme conditions so early in our trip. We haven't even been off-road yet. With light fading fast, we had to make up some time, and although the road conditions improved a little, we still travelled through some extreme Nordic weather. As night took over from day, it was a good chance to use the new lighting system. With the Solus IQ lights having 8 settings, it gave us a chance to flick through them to see which one suited the conditions the best. After nearly 5 hours of driving, we made it to our hastily planned evening camp in Hoffen. Darren,
Yes, mate.
what was your favourite part about today?
Favourite part about today
Yeah.
was probably staying alive, mate, to be fair. Staying alive.
Next time on HFG Norse Bound.
The difference is these are definitely horses. There has been no other. That is delicious.